All right, so here we go on another Craigslist adventure with Clay.
Oh, yeah.
Clay's found him something, a tool that he's been looking for. He's been looking at them quite a little bit, but when we were at the Good of the Land Fest, we put in for the raffle, and we won a group of little items in the raffle. And one of the things that we won was, show them what we won.
This is a 1/2-inch boring bar for lathe made by Solid Rock Industries.
That was one of the goodies that we won in our little group of items. Well, Clay's been talking about getting a lathe, and he doesn't have one, so
I need one.
And he needs one. He's fixing to do a bunch of work on his tractor where he can use one.
Save me a lot of money going to the machine shop.
So he has found one. Bless you, honey. He has found one, and we are headed for a little road trip to go look at it. Oh, somebody's going to jail.
Yeah.
It's not us. Well, we're almost there. I don't know if y'all can tell or not, but our passenger in the rear, Teresa, didn't make it the whole trip. She got sleepy. But Clay and I stayed awake. We're in the little town of Aurora, Texas right now. We're headed to the town of Boyd, Texas, which we're just a few miles away from. And this is a Sheldon. How old did he say this is?
I think he said it was a 43.
1943. And now, is there a model number that goes with this lathe? Do they designate them by length?
Swing size.
Okay.
I think this is like a 12 or 13-inch swing. It's got a 60-something inch bed on it. Probably 2 ought to do.
Yeah, we had to make a stop at for a little potty break before we hit the road on home. It's gotten dark, but Clay's checking to make sure it's stayed tied down. It's good, Clay?
Yeah,
Is it good?
I think it's going
Alright. Alright, so we're experiencing a little trailer difficulties. We've got a light that's not working at all, this one here. So we're gonna have to do something about it. It was working when we left the house. This one here is working. That marker up there is working. This one is giving up. And we're at a Love's truck stop, so we might as well make it work before we leave, because they got everything we need to make this work here. I got this one working again, even though it's hard to tell, but it got hit by a rock and broke. But
I'll figure out what it is. Give me the adjustable wrench that's in there.
alright. Let's get the adjustable wrench. Oh, there is. We're just gonna hit it.
Yeah, that's my Sheldon wrench. It'd be nice if I brought a smaller wrench, huh?
You want me to hold the flashlight for you?
Yeah.
Broke.
It's working out. I think the studs broke off in the light in the plastic housing.
Oh, inside?
Something. It's working out.
Clay's so dedicated, getting on the wet ground at the Love's truck stop. Is it cold? You look like it's cold.
Yeah, it's cool. Here, talking
All right. Yeah, I don't want to lose that. I lose too many good pocket knives.
Hopefully I don't need this anymore.
All right. Well, we're gonna go see if we can get some dinner and then get home. All right. Yeah, well, I'll work my way out here. We got lights working again.
For the moment.
Oh yeah, no, they're still working. That's awesome. We'll be back out on the road. Looks like it's 10 o'clock at night, but it's not. It's only 6:20. Alright, so we made it home. We unhooked from my truck, and that's Clay and his Scout right there with the mini lights. He is hooking up to the trailer. We're going to just put the trailer in the backyard for right now and tarp the lathe up so it doesn't get any dew or frost on it, because it doesn't have any surface rust or any of that on it. It's been well greased. Seems to be well serviced. So Clay's going to hook up to it with the Scout and put it in the backyard until tomorrow. And tomorrow we'll unload it, hopefully in the daylight. I got to work a little late tomorrow night, but alright, so Clay's got it uncovered. Covered it with a tarp last night. And we finally got to the point where we're going to be able to move it into the shop and get the oil changed in his truck, one of his trucks. So no, we haven't done an updated video on it, but Clay has finished this little 125 diesel John Deere skid steer. Got some new gauges in it. It's been all repainted. So the decals are original. It does need 2 new tires. As you can see, that one is just about flat. It has a hard time holding air. Okay, I got it in.
What'd you do with those little pins?
In my pocket.
Throw them in the bucket.
The one that fell off the box.
Yeah.
Look at that, I got them in the bucket. There it goes. So what do you know about this thing?
Not a whole lot. I just got it yesterday.
Not a whole lot. So you know it's a Sheldon.
Yeah.
It says Sheldon, and it's made in 1943. No idea what model number.
No clue.
What's that for?
That's the power feed. I think you got to do that when it's off.
Oh, when it's off? Is that what runs this carriage back and forth?
I guess it will spin the other way.
Dixie has an idea.
Oh, yeah. Oh, that sounds like an idea for sure.
Dixie, what was your idea, honey? Okay, there it goes. Look, it's making that go. Look at that. So, is that going to stop before it crashes?
No, you gotta make sure it doesn't.
Oh, you got to make sure it doesn't crash.
It's not
Okay.
that-
So you can't fall asleep while you're operating this.
No, you can't.
So can you set that to travel at a certain speed?
Yeah, there's a chart for like if you want to put threads on something, it runs at a certain speed.
Like the tail?
Like the tail, it runs at a certain speed.
It runs at a
too.
certain speed. What speed does that tail run at, Dixie? So what is this here?
No clue.
Is this what you set your speed with? It looks like it's
No.
missing a face on it. Whoa! That spins. It doesn't have a face on it.
Yeah, it probably had one at one point. I have a feeling.
So what is this? Okay, so if anybody knows, if you're one of the 3 or 4 people that watch this video, if you know how this works or what this is for,
It says,
let us know.
I bet it's for the travel in thousandths of the carriage. Yeah, that's what it is.
And while you're watching this video, why don't you subscribe to our channel if you're not already subscribed? Hit that little bell icon on the right there, and you'll get notified every time we post a new video. Give us some comments. Tell us if you know about this lathe, tell us about it. We don't know. Clay's going to learn.
Okay, I can't figure this out.
We do have the cover for this end, so we're not going to get our clothes caught in it. We only have one tool, and that's the tool that we won in the raffle at the Good of the Land Fest.
Well, I got an extra tool holder. I think I'm going to put like a modern tool holder on it.
I don't think that's the technical term, Clay.
I don't know.
Tool holder?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's...
Tool holder.
Yeah. Pretty sure that's the technical term.
Technical term. Rex, what are you doing, buddy? Tool holder. So it's working on an old leather belt right there. Evident, it's a new leather belt, but it's a leather belt. But that right there is being driven with just a regular old V belt, like you'd have on your lawnmower. He did go through and lubricate this machine.
It's got little oil spots on it. But right here, flip this up.
That's an oiler?
Yeah.
Look at,
Oil that.
hold on.
I've seen them where they have oilers that mount up
Look at
there.
that. That's just like a generator on an old tractor or an old car. They have those oil spots on them.
Yeah, and they're all over the place. There's a big one there. One there.
Look at that.
There.
These are oilers.
Yeah.
Look at that. There's a little one right there. Wow. So they didn't use grease fittings, they used oilers.
Yeah.
That's really cool.
The tail stock's like really tight.
The what?
Tail stock.
Tail stock?
Yeah.
Is that what that's called?
It needs to be lubricated.
Are you sure that's what it's called?
I'm pretty sure it's
Okay, tail stock. Because I'm going to use that term. And somebody's going to tell me in the comments below if I'm using it wrong.
All right.
One of the 3 or 4 people that watch this video.
Yeah.
So it's a Sheldon lathe. It's not going to sit in the middle of the shop. We just set it here so that we could take a
1943 is what we
1943. The lathe then ought to have my selfie stick. What do you got? Are you giving me rabbit? Are you giving me rabbit ears? Oh my gosh! Yeah. Dixie.
He wouldn't know, but he's got it in selfie mode. So you can see it.
Oh, we got it in selfie mode for Dixie. Anyways, this is Clay's new lathe, and hopefully in the future we'll be seeing some projects come off of it. Clay's gonna have to get some tools, and
We might clean it up and paint it, maybe.
yeah, might do a little restoration on it.
Time permitting.
Kind of like Justin with the Good of the Land does when he restores his stuff. I don't know if we'll be anywhere near as good as he is. He does a pretty good job. Again, comment down below. Let us know if you know anything about this machine, because we don't know a whole lot other than if you touch it, you get grease on you. It's just like that. But
And supposedly, this being as long as it is kind of rare because these smaller lathes usually are short.
how long was this? This 6 foot?
It's 60 inches from here to as far as you push it. It's like a 60-inch bed is what they say.
Okay.
Centers.
So it's 5 foot then. All right, so again, comment down below for us. If you like this kind of content, subscribe to our channel. Give us a little thumbs up on the like there. And when you click subscribe, the little bell to the side there, if you'll click it, whenever we post a new video, it'll notify you. Again, got some comments about this 1943 Sheldon lathe that we know nothing about other than you get grease on yourself when you touch it. Let us know. And we shall see y'all in the next video. Thanks for watching.